Oh my goodness, look at all these smudges. It's definitely time to replace my old windshield wipers with some brand new ones. You can even tell on the outside, see how it leaves these smudges? And looking at how old these windshield wipers are, yeah, it's definitely time to replace these. And you can tell it's bad because this one's breaking apart, see? I'm so glad I finally got these in the mail because it's been raining like crazy in the Seattle area lately with a lot of flooding. So these are the Rain X Latitude 2-in-1 water repellent wiper blades. So I'm pretty sure mine is a J-hook type. You just pull this lever down, and once you have it hooked, clamp it shut. Make sure it clicks. I do want to show the installation guide for various types of connectors, such as J-hook, pin arm, whatnot. This explains in full detail. Alright, so we're going to start out with the driver's side windshield wiper. It looks like you unlatch that and pull it out. So it looks like it's the J-hook type. Okay. And look at how old the windshield wiper is comparing the new one. It's definitely time to change it. Supposedly you're supposed to change it like at least once every year. Here's a better angle, and here's the J-hook. So I'm going to latch this first, and then I'm going to loop it in here. Okay, see that? Now I'm going to close it out. Make sure that snaps in place. So you have to ensure this slides all the way down, otherwise you won't be able to close the latch. Make sure it snaps.